Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support. I'm back at it again. I hope my videos can inspire and motivate you to do great things. Let's get it. Another day, another dollar. Business has slowed down and I'm very appreciative for any work that comes my way. I have a clear mind and I'm calm to focus on things. This past summer I worked in the business, and now that it's winter, I can focus on the business. I can put more time into my YouTube videos, search engine optimization, update my website, social media platforms, and work on mastering various aspects of detailing. One thing I've been focusing on this week is ceramic coatings. Now there was a time I wouldn't have attempted this, but constant research and questions answered by other detailers have made me more confident. Tackling a job like this is just like anything else. You have to start somewhere. Now this is the second time I've applied a ceramic coating, and it's going a lot better than the first time a year ago. This is a brand new vehicle and it's only weeks old, so I was able to upsell the client for this protection package. So I'm able to make $1 plus get some hands-on training. Now don't get me wrong, mistakes were made and corrected, and I know what not to do next time.
Same thing. They make a bunch of one manufacturer makes a bunch of custom, about like a DIY kit. So you just gonna need something male threaded that will thread to the inside of that.
Okay.
And then, you know, you can have it, you can convert it however you need to.
Okay.
With different fittings to get it down to the size you need it.
Okay.
Perfect.
As I said earlier, business has slowed down, so I make sure that every customer or client that orders a service is aware of my other services. Upselling is key, especially in the wintertime. The customer will request a basic detail, and I'll inform them on what's needed for their vehicle, and now that basic detail turns into a full detail, tripling my earnings. For example, the owner of this Mustang ordered an interior steaming and shampoo. I advised her on the benefits of my full detail package, and she gladly accepted. The days are short, and I don't have the luxury of earning on multiple appointments, so I have to make the most of what I have.
Perfect.
I thought that I'll never sell a full detail package, but by quickly educating my customers and my clientele on the benefits, 0 full details became 1 full detail a month, then 3. I had 6 full details last month, and I have 2 scheduled for next week. I did a ceramic coating on this vehicle about a year ago, and the protection is still there. Each time I do a full detail or a ceramic coating, I become more confident because I mostly know what to expect. And if I've done it once or twice, I know I can do it again.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Stay inspired, stay motivated. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.
Perfect.
Right here to subscribe and watch these two great videos right here. Like a man. Like a man.